Not keeping concurrent books and records can be something that bites you in the end. It's much better to be on time and use the financial information, get set up on some software if you're a small business, rather than doing it in reverse. Because if you have a lending need, business planning, investment need, and you have to do that scramble, not only are you paying to clean stuff up, it's not going to be great record keeping, you're also getting information that you can't act on. So if it's around the same cost to be ahead of schedule and plan for these things, it's silly to me to be behind. So I would caution doing too much catch-up work, trying to do 1 year, 2 years in the past, because you're going to make mistakes. Another rookie mistake could be switching banks without pulling down the CSVs, or you can call those Excel files, very similar format, because that data is going to be hard to dig up later if you have to get those numbers into your business accounting. I would definitely say not saving records while you have that account open. Making things too complicated on the onset is another mistake. Just saying, oh, I want to be business, I'm going to be wonderfully profitable, I should be an S Corp, I should be a Delaware C Corp, whatever was found in that research. If you truly have a qualified individual, they should be able to help you with that proper decision very quickly. And you can also avoid a lot of fees and heartache, because I see a lot of small businesses, as in like $10,000 revenue, 20 grand just starting. They're starting off with complicated entities that are just going to create more headache. And finally, a huge rookie mistake is to create an entity like an S Corp or a flow-through entity, could be a multi-member LLC, and they don't act on it, or they have maybe 3 members, 5 members, and they file late. The penalties for late filing some entities, particularly S Corp and an LLC with more than one person, can be severe, monthly, nasty, unnecessary. So a little bit of prevention up front, getting in that right direction. And while it's important to be knowledgeable about things, just as I like to be knowledgeable in plumbing, I don't do the plumbing. I pay someone else to do it. So it's still important to be knowledgeable, but don't try and educate your CPA or tax preparer. If you're doing that, time to find someone else.